Welcome! If you're a content creator or just want to keep your personal information private while streaming, Discord's Streamer Mode is an essential tool. With the latest Discord update, enabling Streamer Mode on your PC is easier and more effective than ever. Here's how you can quickly set it up and protect your privacy while you're live. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. At the bottom left corner, you'll see your profile picture along with the gear icon. That gear icon is your gateway to all of Discord's settings. Click it to open the User Settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, look for the section labeled App Settings on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the option called Streamer Mode. Click on it to enter the Streamer Mode settings page. Inside the Streamer Mode menu, you'll see a toggle labeled Enable Streamer Mode. Simply click this toggle to turn Streamer Mode on. Once enabled, Discord will automatically hide sensitive information like your email address, connected accounts, and instant invite links. Notifications and sounds will also be suppressed, so your stream stays distraction-free and your privacy remains protected. If you want even more control, you can customize Streamer Mode further. Options are available to show or hide specific information, disable notification sounds, and even set up automatic activation whenever Discord detects streaming software running. This way, you never have to worry about forgetting to turn it on before you go live. With Streamer Mode now enabled, you can stream with confidence, knowing your personal details are secure and your viewers see only what you want them to see. Discord's latest updates have made this process smoother and more reliable, so you can focus on creating great content without interruptions. That's all it takes to enable Streamer Mode on Discord for PC. Stay safe, keep streaming, and enjoy your time connecting with your audience.